What if your home wasn't just smart, but intuitive? In 2025, we're seeing devices that don't just respond, they anticipate. From robot assistants that roll to your side to locks that unlock themselves when you walk up, the future of smart living is unfolding fast. Welcome to Smart Tech Lab. Today, we're diving into 5 cutting-edge smart home gadgets released in 2025. Fresh, innovative, and packed with features that will transform your everyday. Let's jump right in. First up is something that looks straight out of a sci-fi film, Samsung Ballie. This isn't just a rolling camera or a glorified assistant. Ballie is your AI-powered home companion, designed to move freely through your home on its own. What makes it so impressive? It's fully integrated with SmartThings, meaning Ballie can control your lights, thermostat, even your robot vacuum, all autonomously. But here's where it gets wild. Ballie can answer video calls, follow you around while projecting your workout stats from your Galaxy Watch, and even double as a mobile projector, displaying visuals on your walls as it moves. It's a personal assistant, a smart home controller, and a media device, all packed into one compact, rolling robot. 2025 may be the year we say goodbye to static smart hubs. Next is the Schlage Sense Pro Smart Deadbolt, and it's redefining what a door lock can be. Forget typing in codes or fumbling with keys. This lock uses ultra-wideband UWB technology to detect your presence and unlock automatically as you approach. Completely hands-free. And it doesn't stop there. It features 2 integrated displays, one on the inside, one on the outside, that show temporary codes, system status, and lock activity in real time. Plus, it's fully compatible with Matter, HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Home, making it one of the most flexible and future-proof smart locks ever released. It's secure, seamless, and sleek. The kind of smart upgrade your front door deserves. Coming in at number 3, we've got the Roborock F25 Series, including the Saros 10 and 10R. Some of the most advanced robot vacuums we've seen to date. The Saros 10 features upgraded LiDAR navigation. It also boasts an advanced object recognition and avoidance system that intelligently identifies and maneuvers around common household obstacles like cables, shoes, and even pet toys, ensuring a thorough clean without getting stuck. Meanwhile, the 10R model doubles down on speed. It boasts ultra-fast mopping capabilities and a significantly faster recharge cycle, meaning more cleaning and less downtime. These bots aren't just cleaners. They're mobile AI machines built to map, adapt, and maintain your floors with near-human intelligence. And yes, they're Matter-compatible too. At number 4 is a surprisingly powerful upgrade for any room, the Shelly Wall Display X2. It may look like a simple touchscreen, but it's actually a 6.95-inch multi-protocol control hub for your entire smart home. Here's what stands out. It works with Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and Matter, and it comes with built-in temperature, humidity, and light sensors. But the kicker? It runs automations locally, so even if your internet goes down, your smart home keeps running. It's sleek, responsive, and blends seamlessly into your wall. Whether you want a master control panel or a smart climate monitor, this device is versatile and dependable. Finally, we have a fan favorite getting a major 2025 refresh, the SwitchBot K20 Pro. This is their newest smart curtain and blind controller, and it brings major improvements where they matter most. It's got faster motors, quieter operation, and, most importantly, AI-based scheduling that learns your daily routine and adjusts your shades automatically. Wake up with natural sunlight? Done. Want the shades to close during midday heat? It learns that too. It's designed for seamless installation and works with both curtains and blinds, even on curved rails. With the K20 Pro, ambient control becomes effortless. From rolling companions to doors that unlock with a glance, smart home tech in 2025 is no longer about convenience, it's about intelligence. Which of these would you add to your setup? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart tech reviews every week. Hit the bell so you never miss an update from Smart Tech Lab. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and exclusive discounts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.